Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 14 cup programmable coffee maker from Target. It's called CRUXGG, I think. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. I've been shopping at Target lately and they have a really nice coffee maker area with lots of different coffee makers, but I really only see this brand at Target. Now they've put it on deep discount. I wonder if it's going to be around much longer. It's normally $70. They got it for $30. And keep in mind, this is a 14 cup coffee maker, which they're starting to become more of these. There's Mr. Coffee, Cuisinart, but this is 14 cups. So the coffee maker looks very stylish. I was hoping the display would be a little easier to read, but it's pretty dim actually. It does have a warming plate and there's this nice red ring. So they've tried to add some details to it. Up at the top, here's our hinged lid. It does come with a reusable filter, which is good. So we took the sheets off one of the bed and Miss Fiona found the bed. She's so tired. This is good because 14 cups, it can be hard to find a paper filter that does 14 cups. Most of the basket style filters just do 8 to 12 cups. And these can overflow if you put them in here. So this thing is that's pretty nice to have. There's the filter basket. Fits in there real nice. This is where you're going to pour the water. There's the brew head. It's got a window on the side. There's the buttons. So we're going to just go over some dimensions and then I'm going to make a pot of coffee. One thing, it does have a pretty beefy cord coming out, but it's still just a 2-prong outlet. It's got cord storage. Front to back is about 8 inches. Left to right's about 7. So it is a tall coffee maker. It's right around 21 inches. It will not fit under a kitchen cabinet. And you do have to be able to lift this up. Okay, so it does have a strength selector. Looks like 3 different strengths. Or 1 to 4 cup. There's your normal, medium, and looks like a strong brew. We can program it to start automatically in the morning. Here's our brew button to start brewing right now. So it has a keep warm button. This is how long the warming plate's going to stay on. So we can go, the default is 2 hours. You can do 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, or 0. So anywhere from 0 to 4 hours. Okay, so to set the clock, you got to hold the program button till the hours start flashing. Then you can set it. It does have an AM and a PM. Then you can set it and then hit the program button. Okay, so it comes with a pretty nice manual. It says 1 scoop, it does come with this scoop, or 2 tablespoons per cup you're going to brew. So I imagine you could put, that seems like a lot of coffee. I normally put 1 tablespoon of coffee per cup I'm going to brew. I don't think the directions are right because here's a tablespoon and this is the scoop. So it's not 2 tablespoons. Just put 1 tablespoon or 1 scoop per cup you're going to brew. So I'm going to put 14 cups or 14 tablespoons of coffee. Okay, so let's open it up. Make sure you've got your filter in. We're going to put 14 of these scoops. So 1. Okay, so there's 14 scoops of just medium ground regular coffee. And now we're going to pour the water. I've got my carafe filled up to the 14 cup mark. Let's see how it pours. Okay, it's got a nice big opening back here to pour the water in. The carafe pours really nice, just kind of heavy with 14 cups. Okay, we're going to put the carafe back, close the lid. Okay, so we simply come up here and press the brew. I'm going to do just a normal strength. Now it does beep at you. We'll see how long it takes. We'll do some temperature checks of the water in the top where the coffee is, and then we'll do some temperature checks of the coffee coming out. Okay, so about the 8-minute mark, the temperature coming out the bottom is about 180 degrees. Okay, so let's open it up, see how it's doing. It's doing a good job with the coffee grounds. Okay, so the temperature up at top is about 187, 188. The coffee smells really good as it's brewing. Okay, so we're at the 11-minute mark and it's right at the 12 cup mark. So about a cup a minute. Okay, so it did beep at me 1 time to let me know that it's done. And now it says time since brew. It's got like a freshness timer. It's going to count up to let you know how long that pot of coffee's been sitting there. So pretty much 12 minutes for almost the full 14 cups. Okay, so let's see how the craft pours. It's heavy, so be careful because it's got 14 cups. It pours pretty good. Let's see how hot the coffee is. Wow, that's a really hot cup of coffee. 173, 174. Here's what the coffee looks like. I tasted it earlier out of here. That's really too hot to drink right now. It tastes really good. Something else I noticed different is the coffee smelled better when it was brewing in this coffee maker. Let's take a look up here. Be careful, there could be a bunch of steam. There's how it did with the coffee grounds. Now it will shut off automatically, whatever time you've got the keep warm set to, but you can turn it off. Now it does beep at you when you turn it off though. Cleanup is very simple. There's this little handle here. Be careful, it could be hot, but you can take this and get rid of the coffee grounds. The filter basket does have a little handle on it too. All of these parts are dishwasher safe along with the carafe, but the carafe is pretty big for a dishwasher. This is a pretty nice coffee maker for, they definitely got it on sale now at Target. I wish the display was just a little bit brighter. It's got some nice features. It is 14 cups. It looks nice. And I think it makes a great cup of coffee. Thanks everybody for watching.